Okay, welcome back. So under advanced options, there you can choose files that you want to export. For example, files that you don't want to be included, you can just check here. Then here under export to, you can choose your destination where the files will be saved. For example, if you want to save it local to a local machine so that you can just download it, you can choose the file. So for this video we are going to choose file, and let's say for this video don't want to include the media library and you don't want to include let's say themes, right? So then you can click export file. So we wait for the plugin to process all the files. Thanks.